Hello and welcome to the first presentation about Selenium WebDriver. My name is Muhammad-Naeem. I am working as a SQL team lead in Contour Software. Let's proceed with what is Selenium WebDriver. It's all about. Selenium WebDriver is an open source collection of APIs which is used for testing web applications. The Selenium WebDriver tool is used for automating web application testing to verify that it works as expected or not. It mainly supports browsers like Firefox, Chrome, Safari, and Edge. It also permits you to execute cross-browser testing. It is not only the cross-browser support, but it also has support of it not only have support of cross-browser like Firefox and Edge, Safari, Opera, Chrome, and Internet Explorer, but also have support of operating system Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So let me discuss about Selenium WebDriver journey. That first version of the Selenium is launched 13 years back in November 13, 2009, and afterwards new versions comes very rapidly, and this journey uh, with this journey, Selenium WebDriver reaches to the Selenium 4.8.0. I can show you that how fast the development of all versions are done. So here is the first page where you can see that there are total 212 versions, and the latest version of Selenium is 4.8.0. So this is about the brief journey about the Selenium WebDriver. Uh, Selenium libraries. In order to set up Selenium library for your programming language, uh, there are support of different programming languages like Java, Python, C Sharp, Ruby, JavaScript, and Kotlin. Let me show you that how you can configure those programming languages. So you can install your Selenium library, and there are some build tool available for every programming language. Like for Java, we have Maven. Here in Maven, you can define dependency like this and Gradle, right? And then for Python, you have pip, and for C Sharp, you have NuGet package, Ruby, JavaScript, and Kotlin. So what are browser web drivers? So browser web drivers can be set up uh, through four ways, like Selenium Manager. Selenium Manager works for Selenium Manager works for Selenium version 4.6 and greater. Selenium Manager helps you to get a working environment to run Selenium out of the box. Driver management software, most machines automatically update the browser, but the driver does not. To make sure you get the correct version for your browser, there are many third-party libraries to assist you. Uh, Number one is import WebDriver Manager. Third is the path environment variable through which you can set the path, and the hard-coded location, which is the legacy way. Here you can see there are two lines appearing under the heading of hard-coded. I will demonstrate you that how these will work in the project. So here I have created a Selenium demo project with the help in with IntelliJ IDEA. Here is my class, first Selenium script. Uh, I have a WebDriver interface which I have used in order to create a object of this uh, browser, and I named it as driver, and Chrome driver, so that I can actually control Chrome browser for my testing purpose. And then we have a system class in which we have a set property method, a static method in which we have a string key and string values. First part is a string key and second part is a string key value. So I have downloaded a Chrome version. Let me show you that how we can download this version. Uh, we under download section we have a documentation of Chrome, and in this documentation you can directly go to the website, and I have downloaded this latest stable version and set it up in my project. So this is the path of the driver which I have downloaded, and then I have write one uh, I have called this URL to run in my browser. So let me run this first Selenium script. So once I have run, you can see that browser has launched and it navigates to the google.com. So uh, so uh, this is all from my demonstration. For this presentation, I have utilized these resources. You can also go and see the details. Thank you very much for watching this presentation.